Okay, so now that you have this part created and you have your contours made, now what you have to do is something called a post process. So you're going to come up here where it says post process and click on it. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to find the correct post processor. Here you see it listed where this post processor is. Yours on your computer will probably not default to this place. This is the one that we've created and we've saved there. It's on the P drive, ONW, Student Docs, /CAD3. So I'm just going to go ahead and go there again. To do that, you're going to click here on the little dot icon here with the folders. You're going to click there, and you're going to go again and go down to P drive, ONW, Student Docs, CAD3. And when you do that, there's nothing there. It looks like just an open folder. It looks like you did something wrong. You did not. It's there. It's just you can't see it. So you're going to go ahead and just go open, and that sets up that directory. Then next, in this space here, it defaults to this option, which is the ProtoTrack Conversational. You have to select the Techno CNC column post. That's the one that we created last year, and that's the one that works for our router table well. Now, actually, I'm going to cancel out of this because there's one small little thing I forgot to tell you, so I'm going to get cancel here. The one thing I forgot to tell you is, here, if you're not careful, and let's say, for example, you're highlighted here on this Contour 4, it's highlighted. If I do my post there, it's only going to post that Contour 4. I'm not highlighted here, it's only going to post Contour 5 or Pocket 3. You want to make sure you're highlighted at the top, so now it's going to do all of those. So if you're highlighted there at the top, all of those, now you go to your post process. I don't know why it came up with that message. Interesting. Well, I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to go ahead and go yes. I don't know why mine came up with that message. And they were ready to post. So now, you need a program name or number. Once you come in here and you do this, I will assign you to a number. So if you need, if you're starting on this, come and ask me for a number. We can have a numbering system that we've worked out. Our next number available is going to be number 16. So we'll see where you guys fall. So everything you do, it has to be a 4-digit number. So for example, your first little practice thing you're going to do here, since 16 is going to be your next one, would be called 1601. And you're going to click on post. Again, CNC column post. You can go post, and it's going to correct that. Then next, you need to find a place where you're going to save it to. I have just created a folder called post. I would suggest to do the same, maybe on your M drive. Right there's my folder called post. So I'm just going to put it right there. My number is 89. And I'm going to go and save that right there. Now when you do that, it kicks up here. You should have a screen that looks very similar to this, with this red, green, black, and blue text. If you have that, you've created the correct post more than likely. We do now, that is saved there where I just did it, but we do now want to save that to a flash drive. A little Lego cup in my room should have the flash drives in it. They're either there or in there on the mill. But we're going to go File, Save As, and save that post to the flash drive. So go up here. Well, I don't have a flash drive in my computer right now. But we're going to save that post to the flash drive. Then, when you go into the room with the router table, into the shop, you're going to pull up your file. So here you'd see, if you grab the flash disk and have mine on it, you're going to see 8901, 2, 3, and 4. And you should see yours on there also, whatever you put on the flash drive. And that's it. You just go ahead and save it there and save it to your flash drive. Hopefully, I'll get you there. Get those steps done, and then come to me, and I'll help you print or not print, but route your first object on the router table. All right, good luck.